just taking pictures.
Do you feel safe standing here?
I've been waiting for that for ages. Thank you. Thank you very much. It tells you that you are hungry, you want to come out and eat. And they make you feel nervous by showing off, displaying their weapons for teeth. Give us another yawn. Come on, give us another yawn. A little bit hesitating again. He said no. And let's go back. Why is this big animal not moving? And I'm trying to show my teeth, show him my teeth, show him my big body, and it's not even moving. Why?